Hi everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a very simple banana peel fertilizer and eggshell fertilizer using nothing but banana peels and eggshells. So let's quickly go ahead and see how to make this. I have the peels of about 3 or 4 small bananas here. You can use any kind of banana peel. I just have these peels, so I'm going to be using this. All you need to do is take these peels and put it into any kind of box that is available, and then pour water on top of this. So as you can see, I've poured water on top of this. The water should basically be covering the peels, and now just close it and keep this to settle down for a period of about 3 days or so. After that, you can actually use this water to water your plants. So basically this water mixed with ordinary water, so you can take whatever quantity of water you have here, mixed with 1/4 or half a bucket of water. You can use that to water your plants. For example, I have this here, so this has more quantity. I use about half a bucket of water to mix in this water. I'm going to be adding in this water. So it's raining here, so I'll be using this water only to water my indoor plants, and I'll just sprinkling a little on my outdoor plants which already get the rainwater. So what this does is that it acts like a natural fertilizer for the plants and helps them grow stronger, because this banana peels actually gives your plant a lot of phosphorus and potassium, both of which is important for healthy plant growth. So if you can see here, I'm just watering my plants with this water. This is a great way to repurpose banana peels rather than throwing it away. Initially, before this, I used to either compost it or throw it away, but now I use this water to water my plants. Now the next thing you can add as fertilizer for your gardens are eggshells. So I generally have these eggshells after feeding eggs to my dog, and I used to either compost it again or just throw it away, until I read about eggshells and how important it is as a calcium source for plants. So basically what I do is I allow these eggshells to dry. So now basically if you see here, these eggshells are not dry right now, they are fresh eggshells. So what I'm going to do is just allow it to dry. You don't need to dry it in the sun or anything, just allow it to air dry for a week or so, and then powder it. So basically eggshells powder very easily. So if you can just see, it just crumbles down. So you can just take a mortar and pestle and powder it down, or powder down in the mixer, and then put this powder on your plants at least once a week or once in 15 days. What this does is it helps give the plant a strong structure. Both the eggshell as well as the banana peel, both of them are zero waste recipes, and they are very fairly simple recipes. So instead of just throwing away these things, we can actually use these to make fertilizers of our own at home.